population 135.26 crores. Total GDP $2.72 lakh crores. National capital New Delhi. Yes, you're right. Those are the statistics for India. There are a lot of fascinating things we're going to talk about in this video. This video specifically talks about 30 reasons India is like a world in itself. Highest cricket ground in the world. Indians are absolutely fanatic about cricket. It is only natural for it to also feature the highest cricket ground in the world recorded by the Guinness Book. This beautiful ground is located in the picturesque landscapes of Chail in the state of Himachal Pradesh. The terrains of Chail are spread over 3 hills, Bandwa, Rajgarh and Siddh Tibba, and are immensely popular for leisure walks and short treks. The ground was built in 1893 by Bhupinder Singh, Maharaja of Patiala, and is situated 2,444 meters above the sea level. Lunar water was discovered by India. Another proud moment for Indians. The Indian Space Research Organization's lunar probe Chandrayaan-1 detected water on the moon using a moon mineralogy mapper on November 14, 2008. India has a spa just for elephants. That's right. The scorching heat of coastal regions definitely calls for a spa treatment for sweltering elephants. These human-friendly tuskers can be found receiving lavish baths and soothing massages at the Punathur Kota Elephant Yard in Guruvayur. The Rejuvenation Center is attached to the famous Guruvayurappam Hindu temple, where elephants are known to play a key role in Kerala's legendary temple procession. The elephants can be seen indulging themselves in the kindness displayed by locals who happily scrub their massive bellies and manage to clean these tough-to-reach spots. World's largest producer of milk. This is a world record-breaking fact about India. Love milk and milk products? Here's an interesting fact for you. Reaching over 155.5 million tons in 2015, India is the largest milk producing country in the world. Diamonds were first mined in India. For centuries, India was the only place one could find these precious stones. The earliest producing diamond mines were in Golconda region of India. Diamonds were found only in the alluvial deposits of Guntur along the rivers Pennar, Krishna and Godavari in southern India. India is the largest democracy in the world. The Constitution of India is applauded at a global level, making the motto for the people, of the people, by the people as charming as ever. Largest number of post offices in the world. India has the largest number of post offices in the world too. Like, that did not make India exclusive enough. There is a floating post office in a boat in Kashmir, India. The post office is on the famous and picturesque Dal Lake, a mainstay of Kashmir tourism, and the floating post office makes it even more distinct and magnificent. Ayurveda, the earliest school of medicine known to mankind, has its origins from India. The pseudoscientific medicine has its historical roots in the Indian subcontinent. It has existed since the time of the Indus Valley civilization and developed in the Vedic age. India has the largest number of active mosques in the world. Ranging from Jama Masjid to Haji Ali Dargah, India is home to around 300,000 mosques. The figure is even more than that of Muslim nations. This highlights the ideals of diversity in culture and secularism. Martial arts were first created in India. Asia is considered the hub of the world of martial arts by many people. Many prominent forms of martial arts that originated from India include Hwarangdo, Kung Fu and Karate. These later spread to the rest of Asia by Buddhist missionaries. With the anti-gravitational effect, there is a magnetic hill in India. The mysterious hill of the Cyclops in Leh Ladakh is landmarked by a yellow notice board that spells out instructions and asks you to place your car on neutral gear right on the spot marked by the white paint. You'll be amazed to see that your car will begin to move uphill on its own. Located at a distance of 30 kilometers from Leh city, this hill defies the phenomenon of gravity. Legend says that this magnetic road is the stairway to heaven. Freaky, right? Only home to both tigers and lions. Another fact making India incredible is that it's the only country in the world which has both tigers and lions. The gathering of the Kumbh Mela is visible from space. The Kumbh Mela is a spiritual event held once in 12 years in northern India. This religious gathering was so vast that it's visible in space through a satellite. It attracts over 70 million people, making the festival the world's biggest human gathering. India has a skeleton lake. Locally known as the Mystery Lake or the Skeleton Lake, Uttarakhand's Roopkund is infamous for hundreds of human skeletons found at the bottom of the lake and in the surrounding areas. Just the sight of this lake brings a nerve-wracking experience through your spine. The world's highest motorable road greets you at Ladakh with an elevation of over 19,300 feet. Bike enthusiasts, take note, because this fact about India could bring about a new new adrenaline-filled adventure for you. India has a hospital train. Living true to its name, the Lifeline Express, also known as the Jeevan Rekha Express, is the world's first hospital train taking its services ranging from surgeries to cancer treatment to remote villages. Northeast India's abode of clouds. Meghalaya is the wettest inhabited place on earth. The forested region has an average rainfall of 12,000 millimeters, 470 inches of rain every single year. It is claimed that the game of chess originated in India. One of the most fascinating facts about India, the game of chess can be dated back to over some 1500 years. Half of the world's outsourced IT services come from India. That's right. Industries including banking, healthcare, financial services and accounting are outsourcing in even greater numbers. Shampoo originated in India. A fact that no one knows is that it was India which introduced the world to shampoo. The word shampoo is derived from the Hindi word champo. People in the Indian subcontinent were the first to discover the use of sugar cane and its properties in medicine and food. Indians value the guests as much as they value God. Atithi Devo Bhava means the guest is equivalent to God, and for Hindus, it prescribes a zestful host-guest relationship. The guests have always been important in India's culture. There's a village with no doors and locks and zero crimes. Shani Shingnapur is a village in India where the villagers do not use doors and locks in their houses. Surprisingly, the village has not recorded any kind of crime for over 400 years. The locals believe that their security comes from Lord Shani, the god of Saturn. India holds a Guinness World Record for planting trees. On Monday, July 11, 2016, India set a new Guinness World Record for planting more than 50 million trees with 800,000 volunteers in a single day. India has the biggest sundial in the world. The world's largest sundial in Jaipur, India is 27 meters, 90 feet tall, and is so huge that its shadows moves at a speed of 1 millimeter per second, and it moves 6 centimeters, about 2 1/3 inches every single minute. One of the most amazing facts about India is that the Golden Temple in Amritsar, Punjab feeds a vegetarian meal to over 50,000 people a day regardless of their race, religion and caste. India is the only country to have an entire ocean named after it, the Indian Ocean. The Himalayas grow every single year. Yes, you heard that right. The Himalayas grow taller by 2 inches every single year. This is no magic or miracle, it's pure science. This phenomenon happens as the tectonic plates that created the Himalayas keep shifting. So this makes the mountain range taller in height. So as the Himalayas grow taller each year due to the tectonic push, it also falls under its own weight. Indian railway population is equivalent to Australia's total population. Here's a fascinating fact. The number of people traveling daily using the Indian railways is equal to the entire population of Australia. This number is around 23 million people. The Indian Railways is the largest network in India, the second largest in the world, operated under a single management. Mizoram is the birthplace for the biggest family in the world. Did you know a man in India has the world's biggest family with 181 family members? Zeona Chana, a man from Mizoram, has 9 wives, 94 children, 14 daughter-in-laws and 33 grandchildren. He resides in a 100-room mansion in the Baktwang village of Mizoram. He also holds the world record as the head of the world's largest existing family. With 181 family members and still counting, Zeona was even featured in the Please Believe It or Not. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Explified. Also, do press the bell icon. Bye!